Welcome back to AdGiga channel, and now I'm going to talk about how to recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup. Yeah, it's possible to recover deleted photos on the iOS even when we don't have backup of these photos anywhere. If you accidentally deleted photos from your iPhone, whether it's been deleted for a while, for weeks or months ago, and there's no backup available in iCloud or iTunes, don't worry, this is the step-by-step guide on how you can get these photos back on your iPhone. To prove my point, I'm about to delete some photos and then recover them from iPhone using two methods. I have an iPhone 6s in which I store a lot of photos. Now I open Photos app, select some photos, and then tap the trash can icon to delete these photos. They are sent to the recently deleted photo folder and stay there for 40 days, waiting to be permanently deleted or recovered. Of course, you can recover recently deleted photos from your iPhone at once, and it requires no backup. Select every photos you want to return to your iPhone and then tap Recover. Alright, the photos are 100% recovered and intact. Let's move on the second case as well as the second method to recover permanently deleted photos with no backup. You just managed to recover photos from the recently deleted folder, but now I delete all photos there. Alright, tap Select at the top right corner of the screen and then hit Delete All. As you can see, there's no photo or video. If you wipe your phone or reset your phone, it should turn out that your entire photo library is gone, and unfortunately, you didn't back up. So basically, in order to recover deleted photo on your iPhone or an iOS device, you will need an iOS data recovery application. Let me launch the software on my iMac. As you can see, when you open it, you will have the Recover from iOS device option on the left menu. Click this will scan your device, and right after that, it will give you a clear overview on what is recoverable from your device. Any photo you think you deleted was hidden in your phone and was filed by this robust software. Alright, I'm gonna show you where you can download this amazing program and then follow the steps to recover deleted photos on the iPhone. So go to adgiga.com on any browser in your computer. iOS data recovery is available in Mac and PC. Locate products at the top navigation bar and click on iOS data recovery under for Windows session or for Mac OS session. Then click free trial button to download and install it. Of course, we also insert the download links in the description section below. Now go ahead and use the software to implement the recovery process of deleted photos. Open the software. We select Recover from iOS device option. Then connect the iPhone to the computer. Once the phone is detected, click Start button. The software digs into the phone and files anything, including the lost files on the phone. You will wait a couple of minutes till the scan is finished. Of course, the time it takes is subject to how many files you have on your iPhone. Once the scan is completed, you will see all the files are sorted into categories on the left panel. As you can see, the software allows you to recover message, contacts, call history, notes, voice memos, voicemails, reminders, calendar, Safari history, Safari bookmarks, attachments, and other stuff. Now, since we are going to find and recover photos, so we click Camera Roll. You see the software has found a lot of photo files on my iPhone, and the deleted ones are marked in red. Go ahead to place the check mark in the tiny box to select the photos you want to recover. Then hit the Recover button. When promoted, choose a destination folder. Just like me, I set this to my desktop to save the recovered photos. And then click Recover button. The recovery process will begin, and it will finish in a few seconds as I just recovered a few photos from my iPhone. The album folder will open automatically and you can check your photos there. That's it guys, how you can recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup. I hope this video tutorial helps you get back your photos if they were deleted. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to AdGiga channel for more similar content. Also leave your comment below if you have any problems with the method. I will see you in the next video.